What's up everyone and welcome back on the Moonchart channel. We are going to update Bitcoin today. Hope you will enjoy. I'm going to give you a possible pattern here, but I mean we saw everything in the previous update, you know, so that's pretty cool because I'm still in my short from the top here. I was doing my website. I mean I'm creating the website, the Moonchart website, so it takes a lot of time. It will be done soon. And so that's why I didn't feel along from the low here, but I'm going to give you some possible patterns, extract what we can do here. But anyway, so let's start with this. As always, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash the like button. This is really important for me. It helped me a lot. If you want to subscribe to the channel and get notices, don't forget to turn on notifications and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I think that we're good to start. So here, so I'm not going to talk about bigger waves now. I'm just going to stay focused on this move here. You know, I was with a WXY. I mean, I am with the WXY at the moment on the chart here. So WXY, why? WXY are only triple waves inside every single waves. Okay, so W, X here, and then, oops, so Y leg right here. Okay. In the first wave, so we have to go on a low time frame here. We have an A, a B, and a C. Okay, so I have a triple wave inside. So I'm just going to draw you every single smaller waves. Okay, a wave here with a low opacity, and a C here. Just going to take this B and replace this here. So why do we have an ABC? Because we have a 5 waves to the upside, okay, impulsive, then we have a correction, so triple wave, and then we have another 5 waves to the upside. ABC zigzag are 5 waves, triple waves, 5 waves, okay, and can retrace maximum in terms of retracement. The B wave 85.4. We cannot, I mean we can in rare case, but normally when we break these levels, zigzag here we go. So now most of the time a zigzag is about it's going to retrace 38.2, 61 point. Okay, we can retrace absolutely everything of the levels. That's why you have to pay attention a lot to the correction wave, to find targets of the smaller wave, to find what is the smaller wave inside the B wave. Now most of the time we're going to touch the 38.2 or the 61.66%. Should we go more down, we can expect to go to the 85.4 maximum. Okay, that will be the, that is the maximum target. Should we touch the 90%, we have the invalidation of the pattern, and in the live analysis we have to think about directly another pattern. Okay, now it's possible that sometimes in rare case, it didn't happen a lot, that we touch 90%, but in that case, as I said, in the live analysis we'll have to think about something else. Okay, so ABC here, 5 waves, triple waves, 5 waves. So we have a bigger triple wave inside a first wave, okay? So correction wave here. I'm just going to replay that, perfect. Now we have done a WXY, so first wave here, a second and a third one here, okay? So I place here for me, let's go with this, a W, an X, and a Y, okay? I'm maybe not going to explain every single waves here because I did that already in the previous update. I already say absolutely everything on that. Now WXY, because we have a WXY, X and Z, or not a leading or whatever, you know, for me that was not a leading at all because of smaller waves. A leading is 5 waves in the wave 1. I mean, a leading is like that, you know, it appears in an A wave of an A, B, C zigzag. Okay, so 5 waves, triple waves, 5 waves. Or in an impulsive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, so inside a wave 1, sorry, in an A wave. Okay, so a leading gonna be like that: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Low opacity, so the wave 4 can break the wave 1 top and go between the wave 1 and the wave 2. Okay, you have to know that in a leading only, of course not in an impulsive, and in a leading yes, or an ending, that in that case this pattern appear in a wave 5, but smaller wave are not the same, but we're not going to talk about this today. So smaller wave of this leading gonna be 5 waves, triple waves, 5 waves, triple waves, 5 waves, impulsive in each one, except you can get a leading in the wave 1 because that's wave 1, and you can get an ending in the wave 5. Okay, but that will be 5 waves, triple waves, 5 waves, triple waves, 5 waves. Okay, So here, if we count smaller wave, you can see that we have first of all a 1, 2, 3 triple wave inside, correction, strand wave here, triple wave, and then another triple wave down. If that was a leading, we should get 5 waves, triple waves, 5 waves, triple waves, 5 waves. This is not the case. That's why I was with the WXYZ here. So we are going to add that. Yeah, maybe we can do everything, by the way. XZ, and here because we have 5 waves down, I mean, I'm going to finish with this first of all. Will be better like that. I'm going to leave it like that for now. Then a correction wave to the upside, okay, and then we have done an A, a B, and a C. Why? Because we have a 5 waves down, a triple correction, and then another 5 waves down. So if we have 5 waves, triple waves, 5 waves, that's an A, B, C zigzag. So a WXY here. After we have done this low, we have done a flat to the upside, so an ABC, but it's not the same ABC, okay, it's an AB that can break the A wave route, but we're gonna say like we have done here, okay. The B gonna retrace 90%, so you have to take your extension tool from the high to the low, from the low to high, depend if you reverse your tool in your settings. I did it because it's more logic for me. We go in the same train, okay, than the waves. So for me it's more logic, but anyway, and you're going to retrace 90%, okay, or 123, but at an extended flat, and that was not the pattern here. So ABC flat here, so triple wave in that case, triple wave, and then a 5 waves to the upside, okay. So if we have this first correction, second move, so if we have a move like that to the upside after this, what can we expect here? To get a WXY or something like that. But the problem is, when you're in a WXY in the Y leg, inside this last wave, you cannot finish the Y leg with a WXY. So what can you expect if you have already a WXY? You was maybe with this WXY, and you're in a Y leg, you can expect simply to do a WXY XZ, okay, to add two more waves, X and Z, okay. So I'm just going to remove that. And this is how I was able to short this top simply. So W here, X, okay, Y, X, and Z, and why is the Z here? Because we have an ABC, okay, in the last wave. Why that will not be here directly, for example, in the live analysis? Simply because we have 5 impulsive waves to the upside, and if you remember good what I say at the beginning of this video, inside a correction wave, I mean inside WXY, we have to get only correction wave, or a WXYZ, it's exactly the same. So we cannot finish a wave of a WXY or WXYZ with an impulsive wave. This is not a correction wave. So we can expect to do an A, a B, and a C. That's all. A B retracement and then a C. And this is how I was able to short the top here. Now, smaller wave, we are good with this. Now I want to show you, you know, in the previous update I told you we can be, if the big wave 2 extra, I mean, is not done. If the correction here is not done, we can be inside a bigger W, X, and Y, okay, or we can be in an ABC flat, okay. So in that case, we are going to retrace 90%, as I said before, to explain you the flat here, or we can retrace also 123%, so do an A, a B that brings the A wave route, and then a C like that, okay. This is absolutely possible. If you watch at the retracement we have done at the moment, okay, if you add your retracement tool from the, in that case, I'm just going to remove that just to be able to show to show you the pattern here. If I go with this, for example, so we have a first WXY here, okay, I'm just going maybe to remove that just to get a cleaner chart here. And I'm going to add the A, because we have a triple wave, if you remember good, flat or triple wave, and then a 5 waves, impulsive or ending, okay. So we're going to see the ending just right after that. So triple wave, A wave, B retracement, we have still to check the retracement, and then the C wave, okay. If we are in this ABC, the B wave have to retrace normally. These days we don't really do that, but anyway, this time, as you can see, we just tapped the 123 perfectly and we bounced off that level, okay. So now what can we expect? There is a lot of possibilities, because due to the Christmas period, waves we have done all the way down here are terribly bad, but like really bad here. So that's why to determine the possible pattern here, that can be a triple wave down, okay. That can be an impulsive start or something like that due to bigger waves before extra, but anyway. Well, just to give you a possible pattern here today. Now, if we don't do that, I'm going to record another update. We can be, if you remember good, I'm with a big 1, 2, 3, or 5 to the downside here. Oops. So big 1, Oh no, that was not the right one. A big one here, okay, a big 2 here. Now we can be in the 3, or we can do the 2. We can still be in the 2, and that's why, okay, that would be the prime at the moment. But anyway, so now if we are in this pattern, okay, we have to get a triple wave first of all, then a triple wave to retrace 90%, okay, or 123. We have tapped this 123 and bounced off that level, okay. Now, what do we have to get inside a C? We have to get an impulsive, okay, so a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, a wave 5. Okay, so that's a really ugly one, sorry, but you understood me. Read like that. You have to get an impulsive or an ending appear in a wave 5, as I said before, or in a C wave of a zigzag or a flap, okay? An ending is exactly the same as a leading, just that smaller waves are different, okay? So here, that's an ugly one, but anyway, it's like a leading or an ending. Leading and endings are a wedge, okay? That's the name when you don't know it waves, okay? So inside each wave, it's not going to be 5 waves, triple waves, 5 waves, triple waves, 5 waves. It's going to be a triple wave, an ABC zigzag, a correction, an ABC zigzag, a correction, an ABC zigzag. Okay, so that's why waves are different in that case, and that will be the possible first possibilities in the C wave. Now, the second possibility, sorry, in the C wave. Now, most of the time we do an impulsive. So in that case here, in the smaller time frame, we have to do a wave 1 here. As you can see already, we have a possible leading 1, 2, 3, 4, and if we push a bit higher, we are going to do 5 waves leading. Okay. In that case, we're going to do a bigger wave 1, a bigger wave 2, okay, then 3, 4, 5. For now, I cannot really tell you the targets of every single wave because we don't have this, okay, so that's really suck, but anyway. But that's a possible move here on Bitcoin, okay? Now, if we are not in this, we maybe are going to do a last push down and retest and backtest this 123, for example. Now, should we push higher? And yeah, I'm going to show you, no, I'm going to show that just right after. Now, we can be also on the low in an expanding triangle, okay? If you add some lines like that, for example, right here, we can be in some expanding triangles, in some patterns like that, okay? Something like that, with an A, B, C, D, E, okay? A, B, C, D, and E. So that's a really, really ugly one, what I drawn. Here we go, A, B, C, D, E. So not the best triangle ever, but anyway, waves are terrible. You know, it's a bit better now, but in the Christmas period, that was really, really bad, okay? I'm not going to lie. But yeah, that's also a possible move, or maybe more something like an A here, a B here after this, a C here, a D, and an E. Okay, that's also a possibility. In that case, the line is here. In that case, we are on the resistance level, as you can see here, and we're maybe going to last push up. It depends. A lot of possibilities at the moment. So that was just a possibility on the bottom. So in that case, if we finish the E wave on the top, we are going to do a push to the downside. Now, if we do the push to the downside, in that case, we can pay attention a lot to this 123. See if we backtest, see if we go completely through that one. Okay, that's important to know, to pay attention to this. Now, if we have done the low right here, oops. How are we going to be able to find the possible C targets, and what are the C targets of this ABC flap? By the way, if you want to join a cool Discord server, the MOONCHARTS community Discord server, you can absolutely by clicking the link in the description of this video, and yeah, it will be a pleasure to get you on the Discord server. I post update on Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, Matic, and XRP. I was not really active with free members at the moment because I was doing chant for VIPs and core subscribers. And I am, so as I said, creating my website, so it takes a lot of times. But yeah, soon I will get the fiber normally, so I will be able to do live stream on the channel, more videos, more content. So that will be nice. Anyway, so now just to come back to the ABC here, how are we going to find this C target? So first, you are going to take your extension tool. You are going to click first of all on the A wave root, okay, then on the A wave top, and then on the B bottom. So for now, the B bottom is here, okay. Good template. So the first target of this ABC is going to be the 61.8. Okay, that will be the first target we are going to get on this ABC. Okay, so I'm just going to change that like that. Sorry, so that will be that is the first target of an ABC flat, sorry, here. Then the next target is the 100% here. Okay, so this is how you can predict tops, targets and possible stop, okay, of a pattern. First one gonna be here, of course, take smaller wave. We have to do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, oops, oh my god, yeah. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, okay. We can do an ending, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, in that case, maybe stop on the 100%, maybe stop before. Okay, we can do a bigger ending. We can do that. That's why smaller waves are extremely important to chart. Okay, to find. So first target here, 61 points. Then we have the 100% here. Then we have the 123, and then we have the 161.8 right here. Okay, that will be, oops, sorry, every single target for this ABC flat. Now, should we go higher than this? Touch the 200% here. Oh, sorry, that's my kitten. Should we touch the 200% here? That will be the invalidation of this pattern, okay? It will mean that we have done something else, and maybe we have done only a triple wave down here, and we have done every single wave, and now we are just pushing to the upside, and we are bullish, okay? But yeah, for now, the flat is absolutely possible with bigger waves. That will make sense, in my opinion. And now, there is a lot of possibilities, sadly, as you know it, as I say in the previous update. So yeah, that was just to give you a possible move here, a possible pattern. So if you enjoy, as always, don't forget to smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification if you want to get noticed for future videos. And yeah, if you want to join a cool Discord server, as always, there is a link just right below in the description of this video. So yeah, take care of you, that's important, and have a nice day, and yeah, see you next time.